A heat pump running with poor COP, high bills, 1000 euro per month. You need buffer, you don't need buffer. You need pump, you don't need pump. This is the question what I received every day. This is why I built the most comprehensive heat pump course ever. You will find this course with everything about pumps, valves, buffer, troubleshooting, commissioning, and every detail what is important to understand. I will show you now what is included in our course. So if you go to our web page, in courses section, you will have two different courses. One is free heat pump course. So I want you to first check our platform. If you like it, you can check it for free. Click on learn more, and then you will find 7 main lessons from full course. Heat and temperature, what is heat loss, what is balancing, how to balance the system, buffer, everything about buffer, and you need to sign up, register for free, and here you can enter your email, name, and we will send you full course for free. You have 30 days for free, check it by yourself. If you want full course, then you need to go on heat pump journey, and full course consists of 6 main courses. I will show you now how it looks like on our platform. So 6 main courses starting from heat pump introduction and technology, where you will have everything about refrigerant cycle, components, compressor, heat and temperature. Second course is heat pump design, where you will find everything about heat loss, pipe sizing, buffer, flow rates, and so on. After that, hydronics masterclass, where we go deep inside of water volume, of buffers, of everything related to that. After that, installation and commissioning. In installation and commissioning, if you start this course, you will have my installation, where I will show you details and what to check, site survey, outdoor installation, how to install the system properly. And then last one is troubleshooting and service. In troubleshooting and service, you will have some examples, so with hydronics examples, one pump with zones, cooling, heating, buffer, radiators, and so on. For everyone who will buy full course, you will have additional case study course. In case study course, you will find my installation, what I designed here, with full process from design to commissioning and monitoring. Also, free course is heat pump KICKSTART. In free course, you will find approximately 1 hour of lessons: heat loss, delta T, heat and temperature, what is heat loss, and balancing, buffer, control theory, and troubleshooting. Additionally, for everyone who will buy full course, you will receive full more than 200 pages PDFs. So each course has own PDF, so like a book. And here on our website, if you go on see full curriculum, you can see full curriculum with all details what is included in course. At the end, I want to tell you that this is something that I was building for 1 year, and you will find every detail what is important for heat pump understandings. What is also important is you will see how interactive assessments, for example, if you go on buffer lesson, so every lesson has video where I am explaining on board, some text, and then drag and drops. So drag and drops, this is the most important thing with interactive assessments and with quizzes. So here you will see how this looks like. This is why we are offering free course, so you can check for yourself, drag and drop, and every lesson is very short. So in every lesson you can play around, spend 10 minutes, come back later on and learn on your own. Both links for free course, for paid course will be in description below. Feel free to reach out if you need any questions. Thanks for watching.